Over 100 houses and shops belonging to the indigenous Chakma communities were burned down in the Boil Khali Khalgra Chari district, Bangladesh on September 19th, as reported by the Rights and Risks Analysis Group (RRAG). The incident occurs around 5 p.m. local times, reportedly carried out by the illegal settlers from the plains. Subhash Chakma, director of the RRAG, stated, following the falls of the Sheikh Hasina government, lawlessness prevails in the country. Chief advisors Muhammad Yunus authorized the Bangladesh Army with magisterial powers on September 17, 2024, but the same Bangladesh Army supported the burning down of the Chakma shops and houses as Dik Hinala Sadars. According to the RRAG, Bangladesh Army personnel stations at the nearby Dik Hinala cantonments did not intervene and allegedly supported the arsonists. The attack has reportedly left no Chakma residents in the Dik Hinala Sadar area. The arson follows a significant protest by the indigenous students. About 40,000 tribals unseen in the history of the indigenous peoples had participated in the March for Identity at the Khagrachari on September 18, demanding recognition of their rights and guarantee for the distinct identities. Today's attacks on the Chakma tribes is a response to this march, Chakma explained. The Chittagong Hill Tract have a complex history of the demographic change. From 1979 to 1983, then President General Jiur Rahman reported settles about 5 lakhs people from the plains in the region, altering its demographic compositions. RRAG plans to bring these incidents to the attention of the United Nations Human Rights Mechanism. This burning down of the shops and the houses of the Chakmas and no safety and security from the Yunus governments will be brought before the United Nations Human Rights Mechanisms, Chakma added.